Hey guys, welcome to the Strike&Keo T's website and welcome to the YouTube page. Today we're going to be unboxing the Neixo Director Garment Machine. Okay guys, and I'm definitely excited to show you is because this thing could do dark garments, and that's what we essentially wanted to sell to our customers. Now the boxing was definitely secure, definitely like that, and as you can see inside is extra plastic wrap, which I like. And we're going to start with this brown box right here. Okay, so all your accessories is going to be in this box right here. If you decide to order it, we got the spray bottle, we got the ink bottles, and then right here we have the syringes for the ink, and we got to pull out the other things that's in the box right here, which is more cups, and then you have like other essential things like parts, like spare parts and everything, which are going to be needed for later on. That's the RIP software program right there. That's the power cable. And then we have the nozzles right there for the tubing. They're like extra ones. And then that metal plate is for basically the waste bin. And then you got other parts that we'll need right there. And that's just taping and metal parts that you can use at your leisure. Now we're going to plastic this thing right here, not unbox it, unplastic it right here. It was nicely plastic up, which I liked. It's definitely secure. Thank you guys for doing this for me. Okay, so we're going to take the flat plate right here. We're going to be putting this together. This is for the shirt. Okay, it's really easy to set up. All right, and this is basically for the ink trays, trays and stuff. All right, so the machine looks good, tight, nice metal frame right there. You got the on button. That's the waste tube right there that you'll need later on. Put it in the waste bottle and stuff. Okay, wow, I'm just so happy I have this machine. I'm definitely excited to use this thing right here. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. All right, so now let's set the shirt plate up. It's really easy and simple to set up, guys. The directions that they give you can be a little bit chaotic because of the language barrier and also some of the videos. But once you actually look at it, and you know, if you're also a person that likes putting things together, it should be, I guess, like self-explanatory to an extent. But also they do have customer service that will help you. I think they're like 24/7, but their hours are kind of like different from ours and whatnot, so you got to bear with them, guys, when you message them. Okay, all right, so this is the last part I got to put onto the plate right here. We just got to put the last screws on, and it'll be complete. Definitely was fun putting it together. I like putting things together. Maybe everybody might not like doing that, but I do. I truly get that from my dad. He's a contractor. He does a lot of different things. All right, now everything is set right here. Now we're ready to roll out and make this thing happen. All right, sit it down. Let's move. Okay, this is the ink. The ink, you can buy it separately or you can buy it with the machine. They say that you can buy the inks from an American brand, which I did. I bought my ink from an American brand, which came quicker and also was cheaper. If you buy ink from them, is a lot more expensive. I think I saved about $200. All this ink right here is from an American brand. This is called Omnia DTG ink, and this is for Epson printers. And this machine is basically made from Epson printer parts, which is really cool, guys. So you can buy Epson parts for it. So that's the amazing part about the machine. It's easily able to maintenance and fix. So you got to pour all these inks in the tube. We're going to do some testing shirts right here. Let's get it popping. We're going to pre-treat them. All right. Put this right here. And then we got the spray bottle. That's what this is for right here. But before we do all that, guys, we got to make sure to heat press the shirt first. Always heat press the shirt first, guys. It's very important. We want to get all the crinkles out of it first. All right. So now that that's done, let's make it happen, guys. Yeah, look at that. All right, so we're going to put it on the t-shirt plate and we're going to spray it down. Now, you don't necessarily have to do this, and a lot of people say you need a pre-treatment machine to do it, but I guess I'm not spending $200 to $300 right now. So we're going to spray it down first, and then we're going to paint it. After you're done pre-treating the shirt, you got to heat press it. It got to be at 160, and you heat press it for 5 to 10 seconds. Light pressure. It doesn't need to be heavy pressure. Don't go too crazy on the pre-treatment because you don't want to have staining and everything. You see the way I'm doing it? I'm painting it with a brush. You also can get a pre-treatment gun too. Look at that. Perfectly fine. We're going to put it on the machine, put it on the bracketer. There you go right there. Bam. Make sure it's slipped. Make sure the plate is high enough so the ink can touch it. Press the flatbed button and it goes all the way back. Now we're going to go to the RIP software, and we have to put down a white coating first. We have to tell the machine to do that first. The pre-treatment is basically sucking up the white ink so it can stay on the shirt. So the white base goes on first. You tell the machine to do the white base first, and then once the white base is done and it pushes back out, then you tell the machine to do a color base, which we're about to do right now. Look at that. Now this is just a test shirt, guys. Now I didn't do the nozzle trick like I was supposed to, so our face came out like a blue and it was too much magenta, but I wound up fixing it up anyway. Then we're going to heat press the shirt, put Teflon paper on there, and we're going to heat press it for 60 seconds, 160, 60 seconds, guys. Just that simple, it's easy, cooks it nice and good. You don't need tight pressure on it. And there you have it. If you guys are interested in buying our shirts, check out our social media, come to our website, and order some dark garments from us. And I got a couple more videos.